Hey guys, this is Gary Gisella from CybersecWise, and today I'm going to show you how to securely view your email in Outlook Express. If you view email with HTML enabled, it leaves you vulnerable to a cross-site request forgery attack. This particular attack pertaining to email typically has an email message with an embedded image HTML tag with the source attribute set to an attacker's malicious URL, which will gather information such as your IP address. To prevent this type of attack, you need to configure the application to view email as plain text instead of HTML. Here are the steps to do that. So go ahead and click File, and then Options, and then click on Trust Center. And then what you're going to want to do is click the Trust Center Settings button. After that, you're going to want to hit the Email Security. And then you will see two checkboxes. The first checkbox you'll see here is Read all standard mail in plain text. You want to select that. And you also want to select the checkbox that says Read all digitally signed mail in plain text. And then after that, you want to hit OK, and then OK again. Now you can securely view your email without getting your IP information stolen. This concludes the tutorial today. If you enjoyed the tutorial, then hit the subscribe button. For more information about ethical hacking and cybersecurity, visit www.cybersekwise.com. Keep a lookout for new YouTube videos, and until next time, see you later.